Hello everyone. I just bought a new Presto digital pressure canner. Let's go ahead and open that box up. I ordered it off of Amazon. It was $269, $310 with the extra warranty. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what actually comes in the box. It is not open yet, and we'll see if it comes with any manuals or whatever's in that box. So let's go ahead and open that thing up. Alright, first things first. Pull out your trusty pocket knife. That plastic out of the way. Let's go ahead and open up this box now. I've never used a pressure cooker before, so I decided to spend the extra $100 and get the digital electric pressure canner. Alright. On top you got your little pan that goes in the bottom to keep your jars up off the bottom of the pot. You have a digital pressure canner instructions and recipes book. So it's got some recipes in there. There's troubleshooting, there's plums, rhubarb, pears, nectarines and peaches, cherries. This also does water bath canning. So you can do pressure canning and water bath canning with this. The bad thing is, if you buy a stovetop canner, you can do 7 to 14 quart jars. This thing does 5 quart jars. So not a lot, but I think it's going to be a lot easier. And then it does for canning asparagus, hot pack, raw pack, and then it says, and then it tells you how long for pressure canning. Processed pints 30 minutes, quarts 40 minutes. Right here, beans or peas dry, processed pints 75 minutes or quarts 90 minutes for hot pack. Then you got beans, fresh lima. I'm interested in, myself, doing meats. And let's see if there's any meat recipes in here. Here's beef stock, chicken stock, soups. It's not giving you recipes on those, it's just telling you how long you got to pressure can them. Here's tuna. Tuna fish. Oh, that's good. That's 100 process time and for pints and half pints, 100 minutes. Raw pack or hot pack. Raw, of course, is if you're doing it with raw meat. Hot pack is if you've cooked the product or heated it up. Got rabbit. Canning recipes for poultry, chicken, duck, goose, turkey. Ground meat. Bear, beef, pork, lamb, veal, venison. Canning recipes. Here's cut up meats for strips, cubes, or chunks for bear, beef, pork, lamb, veal, venison. Wow. So anyway, there's recipes in here for spaghetti sauce, spaghetti with sauce with meat, without meat, tomato juice. I like tomato juice, so that ought to be interesting. Salsa. Processed salsa using the boiling water method. Whole or halved tomatoes. Then it gives you instructions on how to use all the different things. So let's go ahead and pull this canner out and take a look. Got your power cord in the top. Here is your quick start guide, pressure canning method. It's actually pretty much self-explanatory. The thing does it pretty much everything itself. It's just, it'll once it's done with one step, it'll prompt you to touch the button or whatever you need to do for the second step. And I'm really looking forward to using this thing. And here is your vent and your weight for your pressure. There's a spot for canning and then 2 spots for venting. You put it on can when you're going to be doing your canning, your pressure canning, but only after it prompts you. When it's over the canning spot, it drops all the way down. You turn it to the vent and it angles it so it takes the pressure off of that vent. And this is your lock right here. Lift it up and the lid comes off. Of course, putting the lid on, it says install, remove, or locked. And you got your little U right there, so it sits down on that, and you just twist it, and it's locked in. Put this down, lock it, and your lid is locked on. Well, this is what you get, and I'm definitely looking forward to it. Alright, y'all, thanks for watching. Bye.